Hi, good day everyone. I am Bhuvan from JB Open University. As part of my Python programming class, I have done a mini project. My project title is Random Password Generator. Introduction. Python is a popular computer program and one of the reason is it's in a basic English as everyone can understand and learn it very easily. Python can be used to create websites, artificial intelligence, servers, commercial applications, and many more. This is a mini project about making our own password generator using Python. And the purpose of my project is to come up with a random and a new strong password within a matter of seconds using Python with also our own preference. As we all know, human being, we tend to create a password using our own personal details such as date of birth. And the common mistake we all do is repeating the password for all the accounts where these are the ways for hackers to hack our account to steal our personal information and also our money. So with this random password generator project, we could avoid such things. Steps. I've used Python version 3.10 for my project random password generator. So let's start making our own password generator using Python. First, I'll make a password generator which asks user to input the password length, then produce a random password including numbers, alphabets, and special characters. Next, develop it by asking how many characters user wants in numbers, in alphabets, and in special characters. So to create such a random password generator, we will need to do a list of characters. And the simplest way to generate a list of characters in the alphabet is by importing a string module, which is part of the Python standard library, and continue to import random module to shuffle the characters. Below you can see I've imported string and random module. Then I'll add alphabet, numbers, and special characters to generate a strong and a random password. A password commonly requires a specific length, so we ask the user to input the length of the password followed by the amount of alphabets, numbers, and special characters as the user prefer in order to generate a random password containing all of them. As below you can see alphabet, digits, special characters followed with lengths user to input alphabet, numbers, and special characters user to input also. And come up again with the alphabets list. I've used a string module with RCC letters. String module consists RCC letters, which is alphabets from A to Z, uppercase and lowercase. Instead of point out by A to Z, I use RCC letters. So shorter and easiest and nicer way to use it. After that, I've had a character length count to ensure that the total number of characters in the password matches the length of the password and reply the user character count is greater than the password length if it's exceeded. So below you can see if character count greater than length. So the output will be characters count is greater than the password length. Now I'll continue to generate the password randomly, including numbers, alphabet, and special characters as per user's preference by utilizing Python random module. Now, if the total character count which stated by user is less than the password length, I'll do small changes here. So before this, when the characters inputted is greater than the length, the will reply the unit user, the character is greater than the length. Now I will add random characters if the character is less than the password length. So below you can see I will add if character count lesser than the length, it will random characters to be added and generate a password according to the length of password user inputted. So as the generating random password is almost complete, final touch I will shuffle the password as we are looking to create a strong password and continue with the join technique. As below you can see, finally I will run the code and generate a random password with 3 different situations. Start with random password followed by excessive character inputted by user compared to the password length requested. And finally with lesser character inputted by user compared to the password length requested. So we start with the random password. Random password. Okay, the user inputted random password length is 9 and alphabet count is 3 and digit count is 3. Finally, the special character count is 3. As you can see, the password length and the characters requested is matched and the password is generated. Next, excessive character. So same, the password length is 9 and the alphabet count user inputted is 5. Digit count is 5 and finally the special character count also 5. Now you can see the password length and the characters requested is greater than the length of the password. So the output is character total count is greater than the password length. Next, the final one, lesser character. So same, the password length is 9 and the alphabet count inputted by user is 2, followed with digits count also 2 and finally the special character count also 2. So now you can see the length of the password is 9 and the characters is lesser than the password length. So as we coded to add random characters and generate password. So below you can see the password is generated by adding 2 more random characters. Conclusion. With the use of string and random of module from standard library in Python, I've managed to create a password generator for creating random and also a strong password. If you look at the password generator I've created, I've also add a conditional tag to ensure that the total number of characters in the password matches the length of the password. Apart from that, I will also let the user to decide count of characters as they prefer to look a bit attractive to use. So this way I've successfully managed to create a random password generator using Python for my mini project. Next, acknowledgement. Finally, I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my tutor, Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Behoma, who gave me the wonderful opportunity to do this great project on the topic of random password generator, which also helped me to do some research and get to know more about Python. Apart from that, it also helped me to learn more on creating video, which is useful in finalizing and creating this explanation video for this project within the given time frame. Okay. Finally, that's the end of my explanation on my random password generator project. Thank you.